Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by removing old polish and trimming nails to your desired length. File each nail to a consistent shape and smooth the edge. Push cuticles back gently and leave 1/4 inch of clear nail bed. Lightly buff the nail surface to remove shine and create adhesion. Wipe every nail with alcohol to remove oil and dust. Apply 1 drop of base coat to each nail and spread evenly to the edges. Load the brush lightly and wipe excess polish on the bottle rim. Start a stroke in the center of the nail, then paint 1 swipe on each side for 3 strokes total. Apply 2 thin coats of color rather than 1 thick coat for even drying. Wait 30 to 60 seconds between coats to avoid smudging. After the second coat, seal the free edge with a light brush stroke to reduce chipping. Apply a glossy top coat in 1 smooth pass to seal the color. Gently cap the free edge with the top coat to lock in protection. Wait 60 seconds before light contact and avoid water for 1 hour for best durability. Use 1 drop of quick-dry oil per nail to accelerate curing and shine. Remove any polish mistakes with a brush dipped in acetone, then moisturize cuticles with about 5 ml of nourishing oil.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.